Hello, welcome to how to make a screencast recording. This is a screenshot. Here's what it looks like. A screenshot of the beginning of a screencast recording. So you can pick screen here, or you can pick webcam, or both. If you do both, then your face will be in a little square over here, or you can place it wherever you want to on the screen. You can turn on your computer audio so that it plays. If you have to play a video, it hears that. Otherwise, it'll just hear your voice. Let's see. Done with this. Here is some other things you can do on here. You can take a screenshot, make a recording, edit your video, upload your videos. I am just connected on my Google account, so that's super easy. Let's go back. Okay, here are some things you can do with the educational side. I picked that tab. It's great for flipped or blended classrooms if you have kids watch videos at home and then you do things together when you come back to school. Drive student conversations, mentorship and feedback, student assignments, lecture capture. This is where it could be really useful if you're the teacher and you want to have a lecture and show all the things on the screen. Again, going back to the flipped or blended learning. Professional development, building a community, and testing understanding. So you can sign up. It's free. If you do want to go through the education side, there are more options. The free one, I think you only have a 15-minute time limit, but here are all the things you can do if you buy a membership. If you have any more questions, you can go ahead and ask me, but this is just a very brief overview of ScreenCast-O-Matic.